So as you can see, now we are on the home page of your Icee Planner, where basically you'll find all the good and important information. We're gonna go through each section individually. As you can see, when we go down a little bit, we have here a full menu that shows you all the sections of your planner. And I'm gonna talk real quickly about this right here. So as you can see, there is red rectangle surrounding that area. That means that it is synced on other pages. To make your navigation more easy and like fluid throughout all the pages and the sections, I decided to sync that section within all the pages. So basically here you're gonna find your menu. So you'll be able to navigate throughout all the sections and the database fairly easily from any of the pages without having to come back to the home page and navigate through that. And then if you want to have the menu like this, when you click on menu, you have it in a separate page. You can also navigate from the bars up there, but you choose whatever float your boat, but I gave you the option. As you can see here, there's a little triangle. This is a toggle, so basically it means that there is some text that you can unravel. So when you click on it, you can see the content of the toggle. Here you have the quick links that I have pre-filled for you, and I also left some empty. So basically those web bookmark will allow you to link some pages that you are consulting very often. So I put the Icee Planner 2023 feedback, so then eventually you can think about leaving a little feedback about your experience with the Icee Planner, your review, stuff that you want to add and help us grow. So I thought it would be easier to put it here. I put the ISU page, Golden Skate, the Twitter of Jackie Wong, because he's like a main figure in the skating world. And then if you want to add your own, I left 3 out there that are empty. And if you want to create more, you can. So I'm going to show you in a little bit how you can. But if you want to add your own bookmark, what you have to do is click on the bookmark, and then you're going to have a space where you can either enter by hand the address if you know it, or like let me add, for example, the URL of my federation, so that's the Friend Federation, and then as you can see, it creates the bookmark, and then when I click on it, it opens the page directly. So then you don't have to type it all the time, or you can just directly like, let's do Instagram, for example. Let's say I want to add my Instagram page. You don't have to make it like figure skating focused. It's up to you as you wish and please. And then what you have to do is you paste it here, and then you create the bookmark. So either or it works. And then if you want to add more bookmarks, what you have to do is you do the sidebar like this, and then you type book, and then you're going to see bookmark, and then you click, and then it's going to add you a new one. So fairly easy to add. And in order to get, and last but not least, here you have your journal entry. So basically journaling is a very essential part in the journey and in like your growth, I feel, as an athlete and as a person. So to make it easier for you, here you will have the entry of the day that you can complete, and I put it here because that is something that we're always going to see no matter which page and section we're in. And if you have forgotten to complete it, it's going to be empty. If I show you my planner, let me connect real quick to my section, so then you can see my Icee Planner. So we're going to do the parallel. So as you can see here, for my quick links, I have actually personalized them. So I took off some that I didn't want, and I added my own. And then here for the entry, as you can see, mine is filled up, so you can see that you can see the text. But when you haven't filled it up, it is untitled and there is no text. So this is just to help you have a reminder that you need to journal today because you haven't done so. And then we're going to dive into the journal section, what are all the properties and stuff. But this is what you're going to find in that synced rectangle. Next thing we're going to see is the start here section.